you for calling LC Hotel. How may I help you?
Hi, good morning. I'd like to make a reservation for the third weekend in June. Do you have any vacancies?
Yes, ma'am. We have several rooms available for that particular weekend. And what is the exact date of your arrival?
The 24th.
How long will you be staying?
I'll be staying for 2 nights.
How many people is the reservation for?
There will be 2 of us.
And would you like a room with twin bed or a double bed?
A double bed, please.
Great. And would you prefer to have a room with a view of the ocean?
If that type of room is available, I would love to have an ocean view. What's the rate of the room?
Your room is $590 per night. Now, what the name of the reservation would be listed under?
Angelica Atienza.
Could you spell your name last for me, please?
Angelica Atienza.
And is there a phone number where you can be contacted?
Yes, my cell phone number is 555-26386.
Great! Now I'll need your credit card information to reserve the room for you. What type of card is it?
Visa. The number is 987654321.
And what is the name of the card holder?
Angelica Atienza.
Alright, Miss Angelica, your reservation has been made for the 24th of September for a room with a double bed and view of the ocean. Check-in is at 2 o'clock. If you have any other questions, please do not hesitate to call us.
Great. Thank you so much.
My pleasure. We'll see you in June, Miss Angelica. Have a nice day.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Welcome to LC Hotel. How may I help you?
I have a reservation for today. It's under the name of Angelica.
Yes, Miss Angelica, we reserved a double room for you with a view of the ocean for 2 nights. Is that correct?
Yes, it is.
We already have your credit card information on file. If you'll just sign the receipt along the bottom, please.
Okay, so what room am I in?
Room 487, here's your key. To get your room, take the elevator on the right up to the 4th floor. Turn left when you exit the elevator and your room will be on the left side. Available, bring your bags up shortly.
Great, thanks.
You should have any question or request, please dial out from your room. Internet is available 24 hours.
Okay, and what time is check-out?
At midnight, ma'am.
Okay, thanks.
My pleasure, ma'am. Have a wonderful stay.
Good morning, how may I help you?
Yes, I like to check out now. My name is Vivian, room number 312, and here is the key.
One moment, please, ma'am. Here's your key. Would you like to check it and see if the amount is correct?
Can I pay with travel check?
Certainly, may I have your passport, please?
Here you are.
Would you sign each check it here for me?
Sure.
Here your receipt and change, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you. Goodbye.